Oh gosh, boy am I excited for this one. Today we're gonna see, out of my 2 Lego trucks that I got here, will this one do more damage, or will this one do more damage? Let's find out. This one, actually, I followed the instructions out of the book for this one, and custom built it. Alright, other than that, get wrecked, get over there. Anyway, we're gonna set these up, and we're gonna crash them, and we're gonna see which one does the most damage. So I'm gonna put this one over here. I'm gonna take this one back with me. This one's going first. I always use this one first. 3, 2, 1. That did nothing. Let's take this one now. We'll try it again. I get 2 tries for each one of them. Alright. Attempt 2. Line it up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that did some good damage. Uh-oh. Just as I thought. The front popped off of this one. This one had the axle and the crane pop off. So I'm definitely thinking this one does more damage. But we don't know that until we have this one bang into the side of it. Alright. Almost finished and almost ready for round 2. Where's the piece that I need? Oh, it's right there. Alright. Now I'm going to set this one up here, and I'm going to take this one over here with me. Alright, let's see what this one's going to do. 3, 2, 1. Well, at least flipped it over to the side. Assessing the damage. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I was expecting these to at least get a little bit loose off the bottom piece, but that didn't even happen at all. Move it closer for attempt 2. Line it up. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that one did more damage to itself. This one again, nothing happened to it. It's just plain old solid piece of Lego. And this one, the chassis almost popped off, and the back axle, the middle axle, definitely popped off. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Oh, wait. No, it's not. Hold on. Bonus round. This one that I told to get wrecked earlier, we're going to take it, and we're going to use this truck to slam into the front of it. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Jeez. Alright, that's that. Since it's a bonus round, I get 3 attempts. I'm going to do it at 3 different angles. This time I'm going to do it head on. Alright. I gotta line it up for this one, because last time I did this, it hit the scooter wheel and it busted in half. Well, not bust, but the front did. 3, 2, 1. Surprisingly, it actually worked. I'm gonna try this way. I did this last time and it failed. Oh, wait a minute. It broke. I did not see that. I'm popping the chassis off. My gosh. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to take this one. Now we can finally slam this bad boy into the other one. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. At the moment, I'm so glad that I put a piece of corkboard in front of my door, or the walls would be dented. Oh, wait a minute. That's been broken the past 2 rounds, and I didn't even notice it. What the heck? There we go. Okay. I want to do one more bonus round. This thing's already broken. It's my Octan trailer from my Octan Lego set. I just want to see... It's already broken, but I just want to see how much this thing We'll obliterate it into 3, 2, 1. Good amount of pieces there. This actually isn't the best choice for this because of the fact that half of the entire trailer are pieces that are on a hinge. See, that came off. That almost popped off. That definitely came off. I wasn't even holding the camera towards it. What am I thinking? Okay, last piece. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. I got a camera in my hand. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna set it up one more time. This bonus round's only gonna have, well, who cares? I'm just gonna do 3. Easy enough. Oh shoot, I dropped this one. Assessing damage. Nothing. Except for that popped off, which is from the last one. 3, 2, 1. Nothing again. Just a piece of door, which I'm gonna toss over there. No one cares about you, door. Okay, last round. I'm gonna hit this one as hard as I possibly can. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. That went everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean all this up. That's wonderful.